Wait, before you pour rice water on your hair, what if I told you that the way most people make rice water is actually the reason they're experiencing dry, brittle hair instead of longer, healthier hair? Today, I'll show you the biggest mistakes people make, why fermented water is far more powerful than fresh rice water, and exactly how to make it the right way for maximum hair growth. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Hello, beautiful people. To all my returning subscribers, you are deeply loved, and I truly appreciate every one of you. And to everyone joining for the first time, God bless you for choosing to click on this video. I pray you leave here with knowledge that helps you on your healthy hair journey. I'm Jerusha, and today we're talking about one of the most popular natural hair treatments ever, fermented rice water. We'll discuss why fermenting your rice water is better than using it fresh, the amazing nutrients it contains, the biggest mistakes people make, and the right way to use it without damaging your hair. Let's get started. Rice water has been used for centuries, especially by women known for their long, beautiful hair. But here's what many people don't know. Not all rice water is created equal. Fresh rice water and fermented rice water are very different. The biggest mistake people make is soaking rice for a few minutes and immediately pouring the water onto their hair. Fresh rice water contains nutrients, but it doesn't provide the extra benefits that fermentation creates. When rice water ferments, beneficial bacteria break down nutrients into forms that are easier for your hair and scalp to absorb. This process creates even more powerful compounds for healthy hair. Fermented rice water contains B vitamins that nourish your hair, amino acids that help strengthen each strand, magnesium and selenium that support scalp health, and lactic acid that helps reduce dullness and frizz. One of the biggest benefits of fermentation is the production of Pitera, a nutrient-rich byproduct famous in skincare. Pitera helps improve shine, supports a healthier scalp, and may help reduce dandruff and itchiness. Fermentation also helps increase nitric oxide activity, which supports healthy blood flow, helping deliver oxygen and nutrients to your hair follicles. Here's everything you'll need. 2 cups organic rice, 4 cups clean water for washing, 2 cups fresh water for fermentation, a glass jar with a loose cover. Place your rice into a bowl with 4 cups of water. Massage the rice gently to remove dirt and excess starch, then drain the water. Now add 2 cups of clean water to the washed rice. Leave it at room temperature for 2 hours before straining the liquid into a clean glass jar. Cover the jar lightly and leave it to ferment for 48 hours. After 48 hours, close the lid tightly and refrigerate it. Refrigeration slows bacterial growth and helps keep your fermented rice water fresh. On wash day, apply the fermented rice water to your scalp and hair. Massage gently and leave it on for about 20 minutes before rinsing thoroughly. Use fermented rice water 2 times each week. More isn't always better. If you use rice water too often, don't rinse it out properly, or leave it on for too long, the protein can build up on your hair. This may leave your hair feeling dry, stiff, brittle, and prone to breakage. Always listen to your hair and follow up with a moisturizing conditioner if needed. Fresh rice water still contains nutrients, but fermented rice water offers additional benefits, beneficial microbes and Pitera, making it a better option for many people. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's trying to grow healthier, stronger hair naturally. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!